Hello friends, once again we are in chapter number 8, natural resources. And friends, it is our part 2. It is our second video of this chapter. In the first chapter we had seen that what is resource. हमने देखा कि रिसोर्स क्या होते हैं, रिसोर्सेज के बारे में हमने जानकारी ली. देन वी हैड सीन दैट how the resources are used. Resources are mainly used in 3 ways. Resources को mainly 3 ways में use करते हैं. The first one was as food. Secondly, as raw material. Second was as raw material. And third one was as sources of energy, as energy sources. In these 3 ways, the resources are used. We had also seen that the types of resources. Resources are classified on the basis of 3. Number 1, on the basis of ownership. Second, on the basis of distribution center. And third one, on the basis of availability. That 3 were there. We had seen that. We had also seen that the planning and conservation of resources. Now friends, a new point there, soil. We are going to see that the soil formation, soil कैसे बनती है, soil कैसे बनती है उसके बारे में देखेंगे हम लोग. Friends, at first we should know what is soil. Soil होती क्या है? The part of the surface of earth. पृथ्वी के ऊपर का वो हिस्सा where the vegetation grow, कि जहाँ पर vegetation वनस्पति उगती है उसको हम soil बोलते हैं. It is thin layer. क्या होता है? वो एक पतली सी परत होती है. एंड इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ मिनरल्स, ह्यूमिडिटी, ह्यूमस एंड एयर्स. बिलो सॉइल देयर आर पेरेंटियल रॉक्स. सॉइल के नीचे पेरेंटियल रॉक्स होते हैं, खड़क होते हैं, खड़का वर्ण होता है उसके नीचे. एंड सॉइल इज फॉर्म ड्यू टू डेनुडेशन. सॉइल इज फॉर्म ड्यू टू डेनुडेशन. कैसे फॉर्म होती है? डेनुडेशन से, पत्थरों के विघटन से होती है. पत्थरों के विघटन से सॉइल बनती है. पत्थरों के टूटने से, पत्थरों के घिसने से, इस तरह से डेवोल्यूशन होने से सॉइल फॉर्म होती है. सॉइल कंसिस्ट ऑफ बायोटिक रिमेनेंट्स. सॉइल में बायोटिक वस्तुएं होती हैं, ह्यूमिडिटी होती है एंड एयर, और उसके अंदर हवा भी होती है. सॉइल इज नेचुरल मिक्सचर. सॉइल इज नेचुरल मिक्सचर and biotic elements. It has capacity to grow vegetation. Soil has capacity to grow vegetation. And so friends, that we having understand here how the soil is formed. Soil कैसे बनती है उसके बारे में देखा हमने. क्या होता है? सबसे ऊपर की सतह होती है जिसके अंदर वनस्पति उगने की क्षमता होती है. एक पतली सतह जिसमें मिनरल्स, मिट्टी, ह्यूमस और एयर ये वस्तुएं आई होती है. एंड इट इज फॉर्म ड्यू टू डेनुडेशन. क्यों? पत्थरों के खड़कों के धुलने से, उनके टूटने से, इस तरह से ये वस्तु बनती है. ओके फ्रेंड्स, उसमें क्या होते हैं? बायोटिक रिमेनेंट्स होते हैं और ह्यूमिडिटी होती है और एयर होती है. क्या होता है? वो नेचुरल मिक्सचर होता है, कुदरती मिश्रण होता है. उसमें बायोटिक वस्तुएं होती हैं और उसके अंदर कैपेसिटी होती है वनस्पति को उगाने की. आगे देखते हैं फ्रेंड्स, दैट व्हाट इज सॉइल. सॉइल क्या होती है? लेट अस the uppermost layer of earth. The uppermost layer of earth which contains minerals, biotic elements and has less proportion of, it has proportion different everywhere. और जी ये मिनरल्स का, बायोटिक एलिमेंट्स के, इसका प्रमाण जो वो हर जगह पे अलग अलग होता है. एंड इट इज फॉर्म ड्यू टू डेनुडेशन ऑफ रॉक्स. पत्थरों के विघटन से ये बनती है, पत्थरों के टूटने से बनती है. ओके, दैट इज मिक्सचर ऑफ डिकेड प्लांट्स और इंसेक्ट्स. सड़े हुए प्लांट से भी बनती है और उसके अंदर इंसेक्ट्स होते हैं. इंसेक्ट मर जाते हैं, प्राणी मर जाते हैं, उसके बाद में उनका विघटन होकर वो सॉइल बन जाते हैं. एंड सॉइल इज क्लासिफाइड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कलर, क्लाइमेट, पेरेंटियल रॉक्स, स्ट्रक्चर एंड ह्यूमस एटसेट्रा. On these 5 bases, color, climate, parental rocks and structure, humus. On these 5 bases, the soil are classified. Friends, we have the next point, the types of सॉइल के टाइप्स क्या होते हैं? एज पर ICAR, इंडियन काउंसिल ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर एंड रिसर्च, as per ICAR, Indian Council of Agricultural Research has derived there are 8 types of soil in India. India में 8 तरह की soil होती है. You may be asked question that mention the types of soil in India. There are 8 types of soil. Number 1 alluvial soil, number 2 red soil, number 3 black soil, number 4 laterite soil, 5 desert soil, 6 one mountain soil, 7 forest soil, and number 8 marshy or peaty soil. These 8 types of soil are there. Friends, we have 8 types of soil in India. We are going to see that the types of soil in India in length, in detail. Let us see, friends, the alluvial soil. Friends, alluvial soil is found in 43% area of India. It is found from Brahmaputra Valley to Satluj River. It is found in the areas in the region of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, and it is made due to alluvial deposition in rivers. Due to alluvial deposition of rivers. Here, more potash, phosphoric acid, limestone are found, and there is less nitrogen and humus. If the pulses have to be grown in the soil, then nitrogen to be added. अगर इसमें दाल उगाने की इच्छा हो तो उसके लिए हमको नाइट्रोजन इसमें एडिंग करना पड़ता है. Here crops like wheat, paddy, sugarcane, jute, cotton and maize, oilseeds, these are grown in this soil. ये सब इस soil में उगाया जाता है. Friends, the next one, red soil. Red soil is found in 19% area of India. India के 19% area में red soil मिलती है. It is found in Tamil Nadu, in peninsular India, and it is found in Bundelkhand, Rajmahal Hills, Kutch, Udaipur. In Rajasthan, it is found in Udaipur, Chittorgarh, Dungarpur, Banswara, Bhilwara. This soil is red in color due to ferric oxide. ये soil लाल होती है रंग में, क्यों? क्योंकि इसमें ferric oxide का अमाउंट ज़्यादा होता है. And it is also red when we go down. As we go down, the soil is yellow there. There is less magnesium, phosphate, nitrogen, and potash. The crops like millet, cotton, wheat, jowar, groundnut, and potato can be grown here. Friends, the next one is the black soil. Black soil is found in 15% area of India. Here it is formed due to Deccan lava. It is found in Maharashtra, Western Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Gujarat. In Gujarat it is found in Surat, Bharuch, Narmada and Vadodara district. It is found in also Tapi and Dang regions. Friends, in this soil there is more lime, calcium, potash, aluminum and magnesium carbonate. This soil has also capacity to retain moisture for a long time. This soil is more suitable for cotton, so that this soil is known as the soil of cotton. You may be asked there कि कपास की काली जमीन को कपास की जमीन भी कहते हैं, या black soil is also known as soil of cotton. Why? For the cause of, we have seen that here there are much lime, calcium, potash, aluminum and magnesium carbonate, and this soil has the capacity to retain moisture for a long time. In this soil the cotton is grown in much amount, so that we can say black soil is soil of cotton. Friends, next one, here the crops like cotton, linseed, mustard, groundnut and tobacco are grown in this soil. The fourth type is laterite soil. The word laterite has been derived from the Latin word later, which means brick, जिसका मतलब होता है ईंट. Friends, the soil is red in color due to iron oxide. इस soil में iron oxide होता है, इसकी वजह से ये soil लाल होती है. And when this soil becomes red, it is smooth like butter, मक्खन की तरह स्मूथ हो जाती है. And when this soil dries up, it is very hard. जब ये soil सूख जाती है तो बहुत कठोर बन जाती है. And the soil is made due to prevention of silica based material. इसमें सिलिका बेस्ड मटेरियल होता है, उसके प्रिवेंशन से ये soil बनती है. The soil is found in higher area of peninsular India. There is more iron, potash, aluminium, etc. This soil is less fertile. This soil कम उपजाऊ होती है. Here, paddy, ragi, sugarcane, tea, coffee, and chestnut are found here. These crops can be grown. Friends, हमने 4 टाइप की सॉइल देखी है, अभी 4 टाइप की सॉइल देखी है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम बाकी के 4 टाइप्स की सॉइल देखने वाले हैं. विच वन? डेजर्ट सॉइल, फॉरेस्ट सॉइल, माउंटेन सॉइल एंड मार्शी और पिटी सॉइल. और उसके अलावा भी हम देखेंगे दी सॉइल इरोजन. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, once again we are in chapter number 8, natural resources, and friends, it is our part 3. It is our third video of this chapter. Friends, in the chapter number 8, second part, we had seen that as per ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture and Research, as per ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture and Research, there are 8 types of soils in India. 8 types of soils in India. Those are: number 1, alluvial soil. Number 1, alluvial soil. Number 2, red soil. Number 3, the black soil. Number 4, laterite soil. Number 5, desert soil. Number 6, mountain soil. 7, forest soil. And 8, marshy or peaty soil. These 8 types of soil are there as per ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture and Research. There are 8 types of soils in India. Friends, we had seen that the 43% area of India is covered by alluvial soil. Red soil covers 19% area. Black soil covers 15% area. And the word laterite has derived from the Latin word later, which means brick. Friends, these 2 soils, red and laterite, are red in color. Red soil is red due to ferric oxide, and laterite soil is red due to iron oxide. Red soil is red due to ferric oxide, and laterite soil is red due to iron oxide. Friends, the highest area of soil of India is covered by alluvial soil there, 43% area. We had studied these 4 soil earlier in the video number 2. Now we are going to see the 5th type of soil. Let us see, friends. Which one? Desert soil. Desert soil is found in India in arid or semi-arid area. In arid और सेमी एरिड एरिया, शुष्क और अर्धशुष्क विस्तार कि जहां बारिश कम होती है या नहीं होती या कम होती है, ऐसे एरिया में ये सॉइल आपको मिलती है. एंड द क्लाइमेट, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्लाइमेट दैट? एरिड और सेमी एरिड क्लाइमेट. नेक्स्ट वन, द सॉइल इज सैंडी एंड इनफर्टाइल. रेतीली जमीन होती है और उपजाऊ नहीं होती है. द सॉइल इज फाउंड इन राजस्थान, हरियाणा एंड साउथर्न पंजाब. In Gujarat, it is found in Kutch and some part of Saurashtra. With the irrigation facilities, that millet and jowar can be grown. Millet and jowar can be grown, can be cultivated in desert soil there. Next one, friends, mountain soil. Next to it, mountain soil, पर्वतीय जमीन. Friends, this soil is found in India in valley and slope regions of Himalayas. This soil is found on the high altitude of 2,700 to 3,000 meters. The layer of the soil is thin and underdeveloped. The soil is found in Assam, Darjeeling, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. You know, friends, here the soil is found. Then pine and cheed trees are found. Pine and cheed trees are found in mountainous soil. The next one, forest soil. This soil is found at the altitude of 3,000 meter to 3,100 meter. the coniferous forest. This soil is found in Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, जहाँ पे संकुद्रुम जंगल मिलते हैं. कौन सा टाइप के जंगल जहाँ पे स्नोफॉल होता है वहाँ पे ये फॉरेस्ट मिलते हैं. The surface of earth is covered with shaded leaves so that the surface becomes black. Surface काली हो जाती है. When we go under the soil, the color is changed in blue or red. In the soil, tea, coffee, spices, wheat, maize, and barley and paddy can be grown in forest soil. Friends, the last one, मार्सी और पिटी सॉइल. मार्सी और पिटी सॉइल दलदली जमीन, दलदल वाली जमीन. This soil is found. This soil is that humid region. This soil is found in humid region. This soil is found due to accumulation of biotic elements. जैविक तत्वों के इकट्ठा होने से सॉइल बनती है. In rainy season, this soil submerged under water. In rainy season, this soil submerged under water, but after the receding of water, paddy can be grown here. यहाँ पे पैडी की फसल की जाती है कब? After the excess of water. पानी के कम हो जाने के बाद में वहाँ पे चावल की पैडी की फसल हो सकती है. फ्रेंड्स, नेक्स्ट वन, there is excess of biotic elements and minerals. वहाँ पर biotic elements और minerals ज़्यादा होते हैं. But there is less phosphate and potash. Phosphate और potash यहाँ पे कम होते हैं. This soil is found in Orissa, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, and Central Bihar, in the area of Central Bihar and urban district of Uttarakhand. This soil is found there. Friends, we having seen here about 8 types of soil. Now we are going to see the map of India, in which where the soils are found in India. Which type of soil are found in India, in which places? Let us see, friends, which soils are found in which area of India. The first soil, alluvial soil. You know, friends, it is found from Brahmaputra region, west Brahmaputra valley regions to Indus Valley region. कहाँ तक? ये ब्रह्मपुत्र रीजन से लेकर के ये इंडस वैली रीजन तक, ये सब जगह पे यहाँ पे आपको कौन सॉइल? एल्युवियल सॉइल मिलेगी. Up to here in this region, the alluvial soil will be there. These all places are there in alluvial soil there. Okay, friends? ठीक, आगे बढ़ते हैं. The next one, red soil. It is found in Tamil Nadu. West in Tamil Nadu, this soil is found there. ये soil तमिलनाडु में आपको मिलेगी. And from Tamil Nadu and where in बुंदेलखंड, this soil is found. ये soil आपको बुंदेलखंड में भी मिलेगी. ठीक है? Okay. Next one, the black soil. Black soil is found in entire Maharashtra. West in entire Maharashtra, West Madhya Pradesh, the black soil is found there. Black soil आपको मिलेगी इसमें. Next one, laterite soil. Laterite soil is found in higher area of Western Ghat. In coastal regions, the laterite soil is found there. Okay. It is here black soil. Okay. This one is red soil. It is here laterite soil there. ये laterite soil है. Okay. Next one, desert soil. West in Rajasthan. Okay, in Kutch and some part of Saurashtra there. This soil is found. Which soil, friends? The desert soil. The desert soil is found there. वहाँ पर desert soil मिलती है. Next one, mountain soil. Mountain soil is found in on 2700 to 3100 meters altitude. West in Jammu and Kashmir, in Himachal Pradesh, that mountain soil is found. In these regions, mountain soil is found there. Forest soil, 3000 meters to 3100 meters altitude. Here the which soil? Here forest soil is found. फॉरेस्ट सॉइल यहाँ पे मिलती है. लास्ट वन मार्सी और पीटी सॉइल. मार्सी और पीटी सॉइल इज फाउंड इन ओडिशा, यस, बंगाल, तमिलनाडु, कोस्टल रीजन ऑफ तमिलनाडु, and central area of Bihar and urban district of Uttarakhand. In these areas, the marshy or peaty soil is found. Friends, here we having seen which soils are found in which area of India. Alluvial soil is found in 43% area, red soil 15%, 19% area, black soil is found in 15% area, laterite derives from the Latin word later. Desert soil is found in arid or semi-arid area, arid or semi-arid area. Mountain soil is found at the altitude of 2700 meters to 3000 meters altitude. Forest soil is found in 3000 meters to 3100 meters altitude. And marshy और peaty soil दलदली जमीन वो कहाँ मिलती है? तो वो कोस्टल रीजन्स पे तमिलनाडु के, उड़ीसा में और बंगाल में या बिहार के सेंट्रल एरिया में, और आपको मिलेगी ये सॉइल अर्बन डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ उत्तराखंड. फ्रेंड्स, हियर इन दिस पार्ट of this lesson, in third part of lesson, we having seen the information about soil. In the next video we will see that the soil erosion. We will get information about soil erosion. हम soil erosion के बारे में जानकारी लेंगे. And we will also see the conservation of soil conservation. We will get information about conservation of soil. These 2 points, in that we will discuss what is soil erosion and what is conservation of soil, and we will also see the measures, the remedies for soil erosion and soil conservation. Thank you, friends.